Something's going on at the park here. Let's go check that out later.
Kada ne vidimo, kako ideš? A nismo vidjeli video. Ako nastavimo pustimo da nastavimo. Mogli smo automobila prošli. Alo? Ne vidim ko nigde. A vidim te. Evo me na 15 metara.
Oh, I see. I think this is for the students. That's why there's tents. And of course, they're right across the street from the Parliament building. My attorney's down this way. This would be a very busy street to live on. Cool building there. So is this one on the corner. All of these are actually. This is pretty amazing. Lovely. They have a video wall on the other side of the glass here. So if you guys are watching, please subscribe to my channel. I need subscribers right now. I need another 679. If you could do me that favor. If 1,000 people right now hit my subscribe, you would be helping me like enormously. I have a hard time sleeping at night lately, and that would help. That would give me hope that there's a way forward. See how many flags are flying in Serbia? They're very proud here. There's always flags. And it's just like in America. And see, even the same colors, red, white, and blue. Or red, blue, and white, actually. These stones are really huge on the outside of this building. Yeah, they just don't make buildings like this anymore. Of course, even here they stopped, you know, they went with that brutalist style. Started doing that in the 60s, I guess. These are all part of the Yugoslavian Empire. Predate the modern system, I guess you would say. Here's this military building that was bombed, and they have left it and left it that way. This is the building where the rumor is that Trump was going to do something here. But, you know, that'd be great. What I like about Trump is he's about cooperation. I mean, come on, you know. It's not like him or Elon. They don't need any more money. It's not about money. Certainly it could be about power, but I think both those guys are trying to do the right thing. They're not trying to rule the world or anything. They're trying to get the world to cooperate. If you can't see that, I find it kind of odd. You know, what's really crazy to me is that the left, the Democrats in America, they were always supposed to be about peace, right? They're supposed to be about ideology and things like that. But oddly enough, it's like what they promote seems to create the opposite. You want you. Join. You got this. There too. Adidas. Alright, you guys, I'm here. So please like and subscribe. And look at this bird here. There's a bird and there's a kitty cat. I'm gonna leave you on that. Alright, you guys, ciao ciao.